Good afternoon, children. All of you, once more welcome to your English class. Children, today we will study or today we will see the explanation of stanza 4. So, first of all, I will read this stanza and then I will do the explanation. If possible, you also just open the book and see the stanza, see the lines given in the stanza, because line by line I will give you the explanation. So, those who prepare green wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. So the writer in this stanza says that especially the people who fight wars, who create destruction, who use weapons of mass destruction, who use different chemicals to register victory over other nations, and they don't know that they get this victory at a great cost. They emerge as victorious, that is another thing. They emerge victorious, but they get this victory after killing millions of people. And the poet says that what is the need of such victory when your friends, when your brothers will not be alive to see your victory? What is the use of such kind of victory? So the poet says that, or the poet tells those people who prepare the war, who fight the war, that instead of fighting the war, they should be silent, they should be peaceful, they should be calm, and they should walk along with their brothers and their friends. And they should also sit ideally. They should also observe this quietness for a moment, to do the introspection, to see that what is the voice or what is the inner voice. If they stop fighting war, if they stop causing the destruction, then it will have a very deep impact on the society. Now, stanza 5, children. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. The poet says that he does not mean that there should be complete inactivity. The poet does not mean this. He does not mean that there should be inactivity. It does not mean that people should not be doing any work. People should do their work. But from their busy schedule, they should find out some time. They should find out some time in which they can observe quietness, calmness, and that time they can think about themselves and the whole world. Because the writer says that if we will observe complete inactivity, then also the life will stop. The life will come to a standstill. So instead of being completely inactive, the writer, the poet says that we should observe silence, we should be quiet only for a fraction of a minute. And if the people of this world, if all the people of this world, they observe this quietness together, even for a fraction of a minute, then we can see a great change in the system, in this world. And after that, the remaining stanza, children, tomorrow we will see in my next video.